Common causes are power supply failures and hard drive corruption. Power supplies can degrade over time, while hard drives may develop corrupted system files that prevent proper startup. The first troubleshooting step is always a complete power cycle. Unplug the power cable from your YouView box and wait at least 30 seconds. This allows all internal capacitors to fully discharge and can resolve many temporary glitches. Next, check your power adapter. Most YouView boxes require 12 volts DC. Look for the specifications label on your power adapter to confirm the correct voltage and amperage. A failing power adapter is a common cause of boot issues. Inspect all cable connections carefully. Ensure the power cable is firmly connected at both the box and wall outlet. Check that HDMI and Ethernet cables are properly seated. Try plugging into a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. Pay close attention to any LED activity on your YouView box. Different light patterns indicate specific problems. A solid red light often means power supply issues, while flashing patterns can indicate system errors or boot processes. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your YouView box boot issues, don't worry. There are more advanced reset procedures and solutions available that can address deeper system problems. When a simple power cycle doesn't resolve your YouView box boot issues, the next step is to perform a soft reset. This procedure can resolve many software-related problems without losing your settings. To perform a soft reset, hold the standby button on your YouView box for exactly 10 seconds while the box is powered on. This forces the system to restart and clear temporary files that may be causing boot problems. If the soft reset doesn't work, you may need to perform a factory reset through maintenance mode. This will restore your box to its original settings, but the exact method varies depending on your specific YouView box model. Many boot issues are actually display problems caused by HDMI connectivity. Start by trying different HDMI cables and ports on your TV to rule out faulty connections. Understanding HDMI cable types is crucial for troubleshooting. Different cable types support different resolutions and features. Using an incompatible cable can cause display issues that appear as boot problems. It's important to understand that set-top boxes have a limited lifespan. Most YouView boxes last between 4 to 6 years, with boot failures becoming increasingly common after the third year of use. If multiple reset attempts fail to resolve the issue, or if you suspect internal component failure, such as power supply or motherboard problems, it's time to seek professional help or consider replacement.